let's take a look at how we adjust our legend in QGIS. Here we have our map displaying population in California in 2000. We can start by adjusting our legend by opening up the Properties dialog box. We can then ask it to, for our population, it's all whole numbers and has a bunch of excess zeros. We can click on this trim button to remove trailing zeros after the decimal point from the upper and lower values in the legend. So that gets rid of all of our zeros. And here we can hit apply and OK. Then when we go into our print layout, and we add this to the map, and we can go in here and adjust the items in our legend. So we can, in our legend properties, we can right click on it and bring up the option to add in commas, so you can edit directly here. This could be done in the other view as well on that properties menu. You could do it all at once, which may have made a little bit more sense. But let me do this real quick. The other thing I want to do is remove this layer we're not using. So I can go back to our map and just remove it from here. To get it out of the legend, let's bring our, we'll see that it got changed here. We also do not want our legend to have this cal bounds. We want to change what that says. We want to change it to something that's more understandable. So just like our last edit, we can double click here. We can change the item text to be and we'll see that change here in the legend items and here on the map, but not change over here in our data. You can do things like change the fonts if you wanted to make this a title font. And anything there. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Well, now I can see that it changed a little bit. One other thing we can do. If you wanted to add, so that's how you can change the content there. If you wanted to add a title, you just click on Add Text. Oh, it's not there anymore. Forget it's called Add Label, so we can add in our title. We can then change the title there. We can change the font if we wanted to. We can adjust the size. I'm sorry, that's the size of the page. Hang on. Adjust the size so it's a little bit easier to read, so we know it's the title. All right, thank you.